Hi, this is Justin from ScaleModelScenery.co.uk. Sorry we've not done a video blog for a number of weeks now, just been a bit busy with various things and summer holidays and stuff. But normal service will resume very shortly. Just wanted to show you quickly the baseboards that we released at the weekend, the BB001 and then the other one we've released today, which is the centre board for that, BB002. These are the baseboards we released at the weekend. The two end boards, which you do either individually or as a twin pack, priced at £12.50 each, or if you buy the two together you can get two for £20. Very easy to build, take no more than 5, maybe 10 minutes maximum to build each board, so really easy to do. Everything just slots together and just a little bit of glue to hold everything in place and job done. These baseboards are, excuse the laptop, these baseboards are approximately 400mm wide by I think it's 290ish millimeters deep and about 240mm tall. Ideal for building road transport dioramas, military dioramas, aircraft, airfield, that sort of thing. You can even use them for model railway layouts. We should be building one on them in the next couple of weeks, just doing a short end-to-end layout. So this is the two end boards. These are the prototypes that I built which don't have the bolt holes in the side for joining them together, or the little hole in the middle to feed cables through. But at the bottom here you've got plenty of space underneath for housing batteries, other point motors, anything else, any other electrical bits and bobs you need, junction boxes, chocolate block, whatever you need to hide under there, so plenty of room for that. So they're really simple, very sturdy. We've also got some clips in the pipeline to put at the back there to keep the backboard nice and straight. They should be available hopefully early next week, but they're an easy addition to any existing one. If anybody's bought them already and wants a set of clips, we can sort those out for you. So I'm just going to show you now how to build the centre board, show you how quickly they do go together. So I'll move these two out of the way. So all these baseboards can be linked together. So in theory you can build a layout of any length. All I will say is though they're not self-supporting, so you'll need to put them on a table or a shelf or something sturdy, or so if you've got a bench or something you can stand them on, you'll need to keep the layout on there. So this is how the baseboards are supplied. They come flat packed just like an IKEA kit, and they come with a little packet of bolts. We put the right number of bolts in depending on what you're doing. We try and sort it out so that everything you need is there. Don't need any tools other than a screwdriver, a spanner ideally, but you can probably get away with just holding the nut with your fingers, to be honest, to tighten the boards together. You may need a mallet or a block of wood just to tap the odd joint together if they're a little bit tight, but we've tried to make it so you can push them together. So inside the kit you've got two spacers which we won't need yet, they're for joining the baseboards together, two side pieces, a front piece for the plinth, a base and a backboard. So this is the middle board we're doing. So what we do first, if we take the base, I'll turn it around that way because it's easier. Now these are made so that they will only go together one way, you can't get them in incorrectly. So this one's a little tiny notch there, and that tab at the back there goes right to the end of that piece. So all we do is we slot that one in that side, and we get the other piece, the other end piece, and we put that one in that side. Like that. I'll just leave the ends out so I can put the front piece on as well at the same time. So the front piece then goes on to there, like, get in a little bit tight. So some of the joints are a little bit tight, that one was. The other ends popped out. Now, there we go. And we push that down into the base. So there's the base all assembled with the base plinth. And all we're going to do now is push that into the back piece, just line up the tabs. There we go, all done. So obviously it won't stay together because I've not glued it. So, but all you would do is put glue in the little valley pieces in each of the tabs there and push it all together. There we go, job done. As I said, each one comes with holes in the end. They're the bolt holes, and that's the hole for the cables. Then when you want to join another baseboard to it, you place a spacer on there and another spacer on there to take up the gap between these inner plinth sections, and then bolt your other baseboard on the end there using the bolts that we give you. That's it. ever so straightforward. That's all there is to it. But they're nice and sturdy, and this one, centre one, can actually be used as a baseboard on its own. If you don't need the end piece on there, then it's fine for I don't know, anything, racetrack diorama, truck yard. World's your oyster, really. Could be anything. So that's it. That's the BB002, and these are the BB00, say 001s. So, but they all go together, form any length of layout. And I'm also trying to work on a corner piece as well, so hopefully that will be available very shortly. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll try and be back possibly at the weekend, if not next week, with a proper video blog and an update on everything else that's going on. That's it from me. If you could hit subscribe, if you're not already subscribed to our videos, hit subscribe for us please, that'd be brilliant. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Cheers.